To fix this error, click on the Start menu and type Services. When Services appears, click on it. Find the service called Print Spooler, double-click it, and make sure it is set to running with the automatic option selected. Click Apply and then OK. Now click on Restart to restart the service check if the issue is resolved. If not, continue with the following steps. Click on the Start menu and type Print Management, then select it. On the left side, click on All Printers, and on the right side, you should see your printer's model number. Right-click on your problematic printer and click Delete, then confirm by clicking Yes. Next, close this window and open the control panel. Click on Program and Features. Locate the software related to your printer and uninstall it. After uninstalling the printer driver and software, restart your computer. Once the computer restarts, go to the manufacturer's official website to download and install the latest printer driver. After reinstalling the driver, your issue should be resolved. Before ending this video, I'd like to mention that I create high-quality, tech-related videos every day. If you enjoy my content and want to support my work, please stay tuned. I hope you found the video helpful. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.